One time these brothers get together and they say, let's kill Yusuf. Can you imagine? Brothers? What are they plotting? Who are they plotting against? Their own family member? What did this 12-year-old kid do to you? Nothing. But the jealousy, envy, that sometimes people feel for others just because they're blessed more. Now think about it. Who is blessing them more? Allah. So are you questioning Allah why He blessed them more than you? Maybe you are not deserving. Maybe if you had the same blessings, you would have gone on the evil route. Don't we see people or filthy rich and filthy corrupt? Their blessings did not fix them. They had loads of money that everybody imagines for, but their house life is messed up. They go to empty houses. No children, no wife. After 25 years of marriage, wife says, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give me my 40 billion and I'm going the other way. Money doesn't buy happiness. Happiness is within. We need to be content and happy from within to be happy. People should not make me happy. These likes, these dislikes do not control my happiness and my unhappiness. I am not slave of my phone. That's what we have become. We've become slaves. As soon as the Wi-Fi is turned off, everybody goes nuts. My net is not working, as if the life has come to an end, as this is the Yawm al-Qiyamah for you. Why? Have the generations before never lived? They did. Now, the other day I was telling kids about how we used to go out and book vacations back in 1990s and early 2000, and one of the kids said, oh, so how did you figure out where to go to buy your tickets? Did you Google them? Now, these kids have never seen a yellow book in their life, of course. So there were ways. Humans came up with intelligent ways to make their life easier. It wasn't the same as we are experiencing today. And things will move towards different things. Those people who are younger, when they will have kids their age, they would have a totally different experience of life. We still have generations around who used to work in a workforce when there was not even a typewriter. Not even a typewriter in the entire office. Then there came a time when there was one typewriter in the whole office, and that was the only typist in the office. Everybody would handwrite and will take it to this typist to type it. Then came electronic typewriters. Then came computers. Those gigantic CRT monitors got replaced with thinner screens. And now getting thinner and thinner and curvier, and it's just never ending. Multiple screens you can share between. Now we have come to a point, you work on one workstation and you go and log into another workstation, all your files are already there because nothing gets saved locally, everything gets saved into the cloud. So where will it end? We don't know. But what we need to do is control. That's exactly what Yaqub alayhi salam said to his son Yusuf. You do not need to tell everything to everybody. You have expressed it with me, that's more than enough.